In the age of algorithmic thefts and cyber attacks, IDFC First Bank has been severely impacted by forged-in checks, the oldest known fraud in the banking sector, which caused its shareholders to lose more than 14,000 crore within hours on Monday morning. What is this actual fraud? Let's break it down. On February 18, the bank first became aware of irregularities when a Haryana state government department requested closure of one of its accounts at the bank's Chandigarh branch, and the balance shown in the bank's books did not match the amount the government entity believed was there. Now, this mismatch triggered an internal investigation that revealed a series of balance discrepancies across a cluster of accounts held on behalf of various Haryana government entities. Now, the total amount under the reconciliation was approximately 590 crore rupees. That's huge, which the bank now believes was fraudulently debited over time from these accounts. Preliminary findings suggested the fraud was not caused by a cyber attack or a system failure, but involved conspiracy between certain bank employees and external parties at the Chandigarh branch, allowing unauthorized physical transaction and debits that went undetected until the account closure request exposed the gaps. Now, 4 officials at the branch were identified as suspects and have already been suspended pending further investigation, of course. Now, once the discrepancy was confirmed, the bank took a series of steps. First, it filed a police complaint. It also informed statutory auditors and regulators and appointed KPMG to carry out a forensic audit to trace the transactions and uncover how the fraud was executed. A special committee of the board for monitoring fraud cases, followed by the full audit committee and board, met between Feb 20 and 21 to assess the situation and oversee containment efforts. Now, Bank CEO Widen already said that the issue is specific to one branch and one client group, and it's thus an isolated instance. There is no systematic level issue. He further assured that the systems like maker-checker mechanisms are already in place and that the enhancements are being planned. Now, the market reaction to this was severe. IDFC First Bank's share plunged as much as 20%, wiping out roughly 14,000 crore in investor wealth in a single trading session on Monday. Analysts estimate that the fraud could cut about 20 to 22% of the bank's profit for FY26 financial year, though the total impact on capital and net worth may be limited, according to some brokerage forecasts. Now, as a result, the Haryana government delisted IDFC First Bank from its list of approved banks for government transactions, directing departments to shift their funds to nationalized banks. Now, speaking in the Haryana Legislative Assembly, Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini already said that the government transferred all the money to an authorized bank after noting glitches. He further stated that the matter has been transferred to the Anti-Corruption Bureau and Vigilance Department.
नहीं, FIR तो हो गई है। मैंने हाउस के अंदर पूरी डिटेल के अंदर बात रखी है कि जो IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक है उसके अंदर लेन देन में कुछ अनियमितताएं थी, क्योंकि विभागों द्वारा अलग अलग अपना पैसा बैंक में रखा जाता है और ये प्रथा आज से नहीं है, इनके समय में भी थी। ये कांग्रेस के समय में भी ये प्रथाएं थी भी किन बैंकों के अंदर रखा जाएगा, कौन कौन से बैंक पैन लिस्ट हैं, उन पैन लिस्ट के अंदर और जुड़ते रहते हैं, क्योंकि कोई नया बैंक आता है उसके अंदर जुड़ जाता है और देखते हैं। परंतु मैंने ये कहा था कि इसके अंदर ये कई दिन 3-4 रोज पहले 21 तारीख को तो बैंक ने लेटर निकाला, 18 तारीख को तो हमने इसको डीप बैलेंस कर दिया था कि इससे सारा का सारा जो पैसा है अपना पैसा बाहर विद ब्याज उसको निकाल ले, परंतु एक एक पैसा वो आएगा, वो कहीं जाएगा नहीं। हमने उसकी सुनिश्चितता की है और कर्मचारी है बैंक का, उसने अगर कोई हरकत की है जैसा बैंक ने कहा है कि हमने उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की है एक उच्च स्तरीय, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर हमने एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो को दिया है, उसके अंदर कार्रवाई चल रही है और हमारा उसके ऊपर FIR भी दर्ज होगी है, वो जांच करके इसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगी। जहां जहां एक उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी वो भी बनेगी, इसके ऊपर सारा जांच करेगी इसकी। उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी ये देखेगी कि कहाँ किसकी गलती है। सरकार का जो ये पैसा है, क्योंकि गलती कहीं हुई है, बैंक ने की है, कहीं तो हुई है गलती, बैंक के कर्मचारी ने की है, किसी ने भी गलती की है, उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी, कोई बख्शने का सवाल नहीं है।
RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra also went public and stated that the fraud does not pose a systematic risk to the Indian banking system.
See, we do not, as a policy, we do not comment on any individual bank or regulated entity. We are watching the developments. There is no systemic kind of an issue over here.
He reiterated that the central bank is watching the situation and that no broader threat to financial stability has been identified.